Steven, we are back. It has been the third time that we're trying to record that new update for the users of SalesMind. So welcome to that update of development team of SalesMind. We are going to talk about the new updates that we introduce into the software and how we are making the lead generation agency more efficient with automated outreach with hyper personalization. So I will let you to introduce yourself quickly to the audience if you've done something with SalesMind before, and then we can introduce the new features right after.
Yes, sure. That sounds good. Well, first of all, thank you for having me here today. I'm gonna be the first to see these new features, so that's exciting. But yeah, for anyone, I'm Steven from the Netherlands. I'm a multi-venture owner. I have ventures in several countries. And we use SalesMind for all of them. So we've been using SalesMind pretty extensively over the last 6 months, I'd say. And yeah, just very happy with the product and excited to see the progress that you've made.
Super cool. So the agenda is going to be pretty straightforward. Today, we've introduced plenty of new things. So to introduce a comprehensive list of what we have done this release, we have merged both campaigns. So now you can do hybrid campaigns. We will get into that. We've improved the language detection for the campaigns and the AI messaging. We allow you now to export the lead. So basically, we'll be able to feed your CRM and reuse the leads that you have been able to generate earlier. We have introduced a way for you to remove all the pending invitation. Then we keep the list empty. We've done improvement on the platform for you to persist the filter, so you retrieve the same view over and over. We've improved the onboarding process. We fixed plenty of bugs that were not annoying for the users, but annoying for the development team. And then we introduced a tour in-app tutorial for the beginner to actually, all right?
Sounds like you've done a lot of work, so let's get into it.
Perfect. So let me share my screen and let's get into it. So without any further moment to wait, we can start a new campaign. And here you can see, first of all, that the layout changed slightly. So let's start with the profile of Moran. We have the same process as before. Here we choose the experience that we want to generate lead for. Here we have the objective. We have more objectives than what we used to have for the AI campaign before. So either you generate meeting, either you want to get prospect contact information, or you want to drive traffic into the website. If you're a SaaS application, you want to get ads registration, you can send the people a new lead directly to the sign up page. If you organize events, you can generate lead for your event. And if you source candidate, or you can just select this objective. Very simple. We want to generate meeting, what we do the best at SalesMind. And simply, here, I'm putting the link of the calendar of Peter, the guy you're going to have in call when you looking for to buy SalesMind. And this is it. This is where the magic happened. We merged both campaigns, so you will be able to use now either the AI lead finder, either your own list sales navigator or LinkedIn. So very simple. This is the very first innovation that I wanted to introduce you because that's the most powerful. Why? Simply because we know how to find people that are active on LinkedIn. So basically, it means people will actually see what you send them. While if you do not have the right active people on LinkedIn, you will simply not being seen. So you can now put any job title relevant to your search. So let's say I'm looking for Chief Executive Officer, but I'm not looking for directors, right? For some reason, I can exclude that. Now you have that possibility if you want to be really narrow in your search, okay? If you're looking for any country, you can do the same here, include, exclude, right? Industry, the same. Company headcount. So we're looking for people that are in SME, and this is advanced filter where you can put more detail if you have a very precise view on who you need to talk with, how many years in their current company, what is their seniority level, what is their function in their company, and so on. So you can select multiple. If you leave any field empty, basically we will take it broad and we will search in any industry or any field, right? So here, if I leave it empty, I will search industry-wise.
Yeah.
Okay. So
quick question. Yeah. So for the any specificity, right? Specificity. So in the US, can I, for example, also target, like, say, the state of Florida? Because that's something that we need for our company, and then it only takes the leads from the state of Florida, correct?
Correct. Yes.
Nice. Yeah. So then you really don't need Sales Navigator anymore, right? You can only use this. You don't need to pay $100 a month for SalesNet anymore.
Exactly. And we also save you time to learn how to use the platform, and we do everything for you. And the best is now you can also export whatever we get for you, right?
Nice.
Great. So let me import that first list and come into the second feature that we introduced. All right. So here it takes a while for the AI to gather the list and pull them out. So let's add another list. All right. So let's say now I found one of our competitors and I want to take their followers or the people who they engage their activity with. Now you can see you can import the people that like the post of someone. Let's see that right away. I click on get here to have a simple example, and this is my post here that we have. And simply I click on the three dots, copy link to post. I come back to the application and I paste the link. And this is where I'm going to have all the people who actually like the post, and I can do the same with the commenters, and then I will get the same. So here there is an error. The AI failed the first time, but basically we have an algorithm that is trying over and over until it finds the right audience corresponding of what you actually had, right? So nothing to be worried about. So here you can see that you can input several lists for one single campaign, all right? So this is the second thing. You can bring your own prompt, right? What does that mean? It is that here you have a sequence. We have templates that you can choose, first of all, right? But within those templates, you can actually have your own instruction that the AI will take to craft the messages that will be sent to your prospect. Okay? So essentially,
that's a really good addition to the product. That's really nice. Yeah, that's exactly what we needed. That's perfect.
Very good. Yeah, indeed. What we observe is sometimes you have specific links, specific needs in terms of messaging at specific step. So this is what we build. You can have the first step, which is AI, and the second step that is human, right? We provide some topic. If you're a lead generation agency and you want a follow-up message, you have template that you can come with, but you also can write your own messages, obviously. And then the first touch point will be AI generated, the second one human, the third one AI, and so on. And then you have flexibility in what you want to communicate with all your prospects. How does that sound?
Yeah, that actually really sounds perfect because we actually wanted to mix up the AI and human too, where we just send them like a PDF, for example, or something. So this is perfect.
Amazing, love it. I forgot that you told me last time that you were struggling with the Dutch market that were speaking in English. And that's why now in the campaign, you actually can set up the language you want the messages to be generated on. So then you can enforce the AI.
Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, because in the Netherlands, as you know as well, right? Some people prefer English, some prefer Dutch. So this is perfect.
Yeah, but Dutch people speak perfect English. I'm really amazed when I talk with Dutch people because their English sound even better than American sometimes.
Yeah, that's pretty much true. Yeah.
Great. So yeah, that was it for the sequence. Pretty much a
I
big
love this.
piece on
Really
our
nice.
side, but we wanted to bring flexibility and way for you to actually have hands-on the AI to fine tune it the way you want it. All right, are you ready for the next big thing?
Yes, for sure. Let's get it.
Cool. So here you can see that I have plenty of different teams, right? I'm handling different partner at that moment, and I don't want that campaign to outreach the same people as anyone that is reaching at that people within the SalesMind team. So basically, I select the SalesMind team, and I just toggle the team duplicate security. Essentially, what it means, it is that if you and I are the same team and we have the same prospect in our lead list, only one of us will reach that person, the first one who have that in the list.
That's really nice because for one of my companies, our industry is pretty small, so we don't have a huge target audience, right? So I'm always navigating like how can I exclude this from that list and really just sort of try to separate it. But this makes that job a lot easier. So this is nice.
Perfect, and we're coming with more stuff that's gonna make your life even easier if you want to have more intelligence in the outreach. So far that was it for the campaign. Now you can build hybrid campaign. You can make sure that you team do not reach the same people. Test campaign, and now you have hands-on there. We hope you will like those new features, and then you can start the campaign from here.
Yeah, this is
All
perfect.
right.
Especially the AI in human that you can switch that, and it's just so easy right now to set up campaigns. It already was easy, right? But this is just that extra step that makes it even easier for us. So very happy with the progress, especially on the campaign side. Really good work.
Amazing. I hope we even going to make the work easier for you with a new update we will have. I hope we can have that call regularly. Now we're going to deliver every 2 weeks consistently, and we hope we are going to bring a lot of value for the lead generation agency, because that the audience we really want to support. And as you're leading one of them, we are really happy to be on the call with you and introduce you on priority and as a VIP, everything that we do for you guys. Cool.
Well, thanks a lot for the VIP access.
That's really cool. So let me jump to the next things that are going to help you a lot. You were telling me that you needed a lot of screenshots to actually handle the lead to your client before. Now we introduce you the export. So let's say you have one profile and you want all the people that are interested to target them again with another campaign. So you simply take that list, you click on the button export. It may take a while, right? And here export list is success. It will send to your email. It may take up to 30 minutes to get the email, but I got it earlier because we prepared the thing here, right? So basically what we have is we can find the first name, the last name, the location, profile picture, the VMID, the link of the guy, the email as well, the headline, job title, company duration, the website, the summary, the education, and so on. So basically you have the list of here I do have 999 people in that list, and simply I know that all those people were interested at some point for the prospecting that I made. So how can I leverage that easily? I simply go and create a new campaign for that. And then I take my profile. And this is where I simply introduce the link of the Google Sheet that I get. And then I will have the list of the 1,000 of people that were interested. And then now I will simply send them a message. So I remove the connection.
Really nice as well. Yeah.
Yeah, I remove the connection and then I will outreach them directly to all those people who are still in my network. All right.
Yeah, based on a specific purpose. That's really nice. And also like the fact that because I have several of my team members and their LinkedIn accounts in the platform, right? And I was just every week sending them the list of screenshots indeed. Like, hey, these are all the replies you've had. Make sure that you put them into the CRM because they were missing a lot, right? So this way, just every 2 weeks, I just export it, send it over. And that's my life very easy. So yeah, it's really nice.
Cool. And then you basically can export the list from the campaign itself, right here, from the inbox, right here, and from the lead list itself as well, right here. All right. And then last but not least, within the team, now we help you to make sure we remove and we withdraw all the connections that have been sent more than 14 days ago. So either you have a quick access through here, and then you can remove everything after 14 days, simply as that. Otherwise, this is one shot here. If you want to make it permanent, you can go in the settings, general settings, advanced settings, and this is where you can clean the list of pending connection requests, and then it will be all the connection after 2 weeks going to be removed, saved, and then that will be done.
That's really nice as well, because when I mentioned that we have a small target audience, you constantly want to keep reaching out to the people using SalesMind, right? So this makes sure that you are less likely to run out of leads. So that's really nice as well.
Correct. And the thing is now you can reuse the initial list that you had and re-reach out those people 21 days after you remove the pending invitation. But basically, you will be able to retarget them later and then have another chance with them.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes. Any other question? I think that was it from our side. Really happy to share with you what we have been able to build so far. Happy to answer any of your questions so far.
No, let me just say that I think this is like amazing work. It was like these features were built for me. Like I'll definitely use all of them. This has been the biggest update I think thus far as well, right? Because I have seen a couple of product feature updates, but this is pretty intense. So I'm very happy with it. I think my team will be as well. And just make sure to invite me for this VIP access next time around as well.
Will do. And if you have as a friend, feel free to share the link. We'll be happy to answer that question if they have any as well. Steven, we are pleasure to be with you, to share with you those updates. We're going to share that online with the whole community and hope they will love it as well, and hope they will be happy to hear from you also.
Yeah, sure. Sounds good. Thanks a lot, Julian.
Thanks. See you, Steven. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.